Hi students, welcome back to our class. This is Swarpa ma'am. Now today we are going to learn about water sources. See here we started the topic called as hydrosphere. Okay, we have learned the cycle also, how the rain cycle, water cycle happens from the sea level to the land to the atmosphere, from atmosphere to the land surface, right? Again into the sea level, how the water goes, moves. Okay. Now we are learning about the water sources. Water sources, see here we have water sources like sea, we have oceans, okay, oceans, lakes, rivers, these all comes under water sources itself. Okay. How much percentage of water source is present on the earth's surface? That is important. Okay. And in that we have two types of water sources. One is marine water, another one is a fresh water. You know what is marine water? Salt water, we will call it as a marine water. Fresh water, whatever we have in the lakes and rivers, those are fresh water what we are drinking. Okay, so that is the fresh water. So now you write down the percentages, exact percentages in 9th class they have given for you, good information they have given for you, right? So how much percentage of water is present of marine water and the fresh water? See here ma, for here I will start by writing 97.2169% of marine water. Okay. Marine water, nothing but marine water is nothing but oceans. What are those ma? In oceans we have 97.2169, exactly they have given how much amount of water is present. Okay now, marine water. Next one is fresh water is of 2.7831% of fresh water we have. Fresh water, right? So in this this is the fresh water, this is the marine water. Okay. So how much percentage of fresh water is present on the land? 2.7831% of 2.7831% of fresh water we have. Now let's consider this one has 100% of fresh water. Now what we are taking, what we are utilizing in rivers and lakes and dams, whatever constructed, those all are present on the fresh water itself. Okay. So now how much amount of fresh water exactly? It is of 2.7831% only it is present. Okay. Now we will make it as a consider as a 100%. Okay, 100%. So this is 100%. Actually these two when we combine we get 100%. But 100% fresh water if we take, again it is divided into what? Okay, again how much percentage is divided into the rivers, how much percentage is divided into the ice, how much percentage is divided into normal groundwater, we will be knowing in this one ma. See here, ice is of 69.56% of ice we have. Okay na, ice, and 30.1% of groundwater, and last one it is 0.34% in lakes, reservoirs, rivers. You have to write down ma, note it, that time only you can remember this social. See here, 2.7831% of water. If you make it 100%, what happens? 69% of water, fresh water, is in the form of ice itself, ice and glaciers. Ice is in the form of ice itself. We can find the 69.56%. See here, we have Antarctic and Arctic regions. Antarctic and Arctic regions. What is the appearance of that one? It is completely in the form of ice. Okay. With what water those ice is made? Is it in marine water or fresh water? Fresh water. Okay na? So 69.56% of ice is considered to be the fresh water itself. Okay na? So we have 69% of fresh water is modified into ice itself. Okay. 30.1% is of groundwater, whatever bore wells we are extracting from the ground itself. Okay. So the compulsory when rainfall happens, when rainfall occurs, the ground absorbs the water, most of the water it absorbs, later it whatever the drainage water or the canals, they just flush into the reservoirs, and when the reservoir gets filled, when they don't require, they leave it into the sea again. Okay, now how much ever we want utilize, we will utilize, leftover one has to move into the sea itself. So here groundwater contains 30.1%, 30.1% of groundwater. Okay, so in our complete nowadays, each and antak mundu we used to have one single well. All the people used to go there and make use of that well. But each and every home now contains bore wells. Okay, now bore wells, by that what is happening, the level of water in the ground is decreasing, and most of them cement roads are there. Okay, now cement roads, by that what happens, when rainfall occurs, what will happen, the ground may not absorb the water, it may move, that all the water move into the drainage itself, into the ponds, it moves into the ponds away. So compulsory we require the normal land without any covering of the cement or anything, right. So many examples are there, no need to go for that. If that is absent, we can increase the levels of groundwater. Okay, na? So groundwater, next one is 0.34%, 0.34% only we have lakes of fresh water. Okay, na? So lakes whatever present, all are fresh water itself. Reservoirs and rivers, all are of fresh water only. How much percentage they are? 0.34%. So most of the percentage went to the ice formation only. Ice formation only. What we are utilizing, human beings, this much percentage of we are using 30.1 and 0.34%, means 31%, nearly 31% of water resources we are using. Okay, and even marine water is also used much, and even seas and oceans are also used much. Why? Because for the fishing purpose. Okay, many communities are living on the fishing. Port areas are present. Port area, if you go for the complete southern part of India, plateau, okay, na, peninsular region, southern part of India, all the people who is living in this area depends upon mostly on the ocean itself. Why? Because they those are the tourist spots. Okay, na, the economic conditions of that people depends upon the ocean itself. Okay, na? So we have Reliance Petrol in the ocean itself, in the sea itself we have. So port areas, seas, and mainly for shipyards, those all ocean is compulsory needed. It is uses of, these are the uses of ocean. Okay, next one, see here ma, ocean, they have given, see here I said this 97.2169% of ocean we have, and this 2.783 is of fresh water. Now we have another one also ma, reservoir, mainly see here we have oceans, ice, water resources, you see here ma, oceans, ice caps, okay, ice caps and glaciers, right, groundwater, okay na, groundwater, island, seas, we have seas also with island. Okay, island containing seas, lakes, soil moisture, okay, atmosphere, rivers, biosphere. Okay, these are the reservoirs of water. These are the reservoirs of water. First one is the ocean, ice cap and glaciers, groundwater is also a reservoir, island. This is a percentage what I have explained up to here, that is the percentage. Okay, these are the reservoirs. What are the reservoirs? I will be asking. What are the reservoirs of water? Okay, one is ocean, ice caps, groundwater, island, seas, lakes, soil moisture, atmosphere, rivers, biosphere. Atmosphere, rivers and biosphere, these are the reservoirs. Okay, how much percentage of water is present? How much percentage of water is present? Again in this one, 97.2169. Okay, 1 second. 97.2169. Another one is this is 2.15%. Okay, groundwater is of 0.61% ma. Islands and seas, island and sea it is of 0.0089%. Okay, lakes is of 0.008%. Soil moisture is of 0.005%. Atmosphere 0.001. Rivers 0.0001%. Biosphere 0.0001%. This is a percentage of total water. See here, total water percentage, how much it is present. You see here, if we go for oceans, this one, this is about the marine water and fresh water. This is about the complete reservoir, how much for the 100% water resources. Okay, see here, oceans it is of 97.2169%. Ice and landscapes 2.15%. Okay, groundwater 0.61%. Don't compare this and that. Okay, now this is completely marine water, this is fresh water. In that fresh water again it is divided into this much percentage. Okay, this is complete for 100%. Again how much percentage of water we have for each source, each resource. Okay, now see here, groundwater of 0.61%. Island, seas, there are seas embedded with the island compulsory. Okay, now ocean is there. In ocean we can consider or we can call with the other name sea. In sea it is embedded with the embedded with the lands. In middle some lands are there, landscapes, due to continental drifts the islands has formed that, you know very well. Okay, so island seas of 0.0089% only. Lakes are there, lakes are of 0.008% exact. They have given for you table. Soil moisture. Okay, groundwater is different. Groundwater I said the whatever the water level. Okay, percentage of water level present in the ground we will call groundwater. Okay, now here soil moisture, the moisture content also they have given. Moisture content present thema, moisture content present in the soil is of 0.05%. 0.05%. In atmosphere it is containing 0.001%. How we will get into atmosphere? By many methods. Evaporation. Okay, na evaporation method, the water gets evaporated into the atmosphere in the form of water vapor. From the plants also water get evaporated into the atmosphere in the form of transpiration process, in the form of water vapor by the process called as transpiration. Okay, na? So that all amount comes under 0.001% only. Okay, na? Rivers are of 0.001%. And biosphere, okay, biosphere means it is a earth plus ocean completely. Biosphere, whatever the on the biosphere, on the complete globe, the water content, the percentage of water content they have mentioned, it is 0.001% only. Okay, na? So this is about the water sources. Now first water source, if we go that is oceans. We will go into the ocean. See here, we have 5 types of oceans, you know very well. What are those? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Okay, so these are the 5 oceans we have. Okay, Pacific Ocean. Here Pacific Ocean, see here, whatever the most of the Indian earth relief features, major earth contains continents, oceans. These are the relief features. Of earth. Important features. Can you tell what are the relief features of India? Okay, India's relief features: Indo-Gangetic plains, plateaus, Himalayas. Okay, seas are present, you know, with islands also, Andaman Nicobar Island. okay, Maldives, so many islands are present. Those all comes under Indian relief features. Okay, Indo-Gangetic plains, plateaus, peninsular regions are also there. Peninsular region, tongue-like structure we have. So this area we will call it as peninsular region. These are the Indian relief features. What are the Earth relief features? Mainly 7 continents and 5 oceans. Okay, 7 continents, 5 oceans. What happened here? These 5 oceans are separating different continents, different countries. Okay, now different continents and different countries. Pacific Ocean. First one is the Pacific Ocean. What it is doing? It is mainly separating, just listen ma, separating Asia and Oceania they have given. They are separating Asia, Oceania. See here, Asia you know very well. It is the biggest continent. Oceania is nothing but it is a combination of Australia, New Zealand, Papua New Guinea together from the America. So they are separating the Asia, Oceania. Oceania means I said Australia, those examples, right? They are separating from America. Okay, now with which ocean? With the Pacific Ocean. Asia and Oceania got separated from the America. Next one is, second one is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. So this Atlantic Ocean, what it is doing? It is separating America from Europe and Africa. They are separating the America from Europe and Africa got separated. Europe and Africa got separated from America. In between this, what ocean is present? Atlantic Ocean is present. Okay, now Atlantic Ocean is present. Next, if we go for the third one, Indian Ocean. Just now I have drawn our peninsular region, this one. Okay, so whatever surrounding this one, we have Indian Ocean itself. 2 seas are present. Leave that seas. What is this ocean called? Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean means it is occupying the Asia part, southern Asia part. Okay, na? So it washing up the southern Asia part and separates Africa and Australia. It is separating the Africa and Australia. Okay, Australia. Next, fourth one is Antarctic Ocean. It is also called as Antarctic Ocean, is also called as Southern Ocean. Sometimes it is an extension of this Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean. Antarctic Ocean is an extension of Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. It is also called as Southern Ocean. Southern part of the world it is present. Antarctic Ocean. Okay, now mainly Indian Ocean which encircles Antarctica. It is encircling the continent Antarctica. Another one is the Arctic Ocean. You know very well, in the top side of the world it is containing the Arctic Ocean, sometimes considered as Atlantic, which covers much of the Arctic and washes up the North America and Eurasia. So North America and Eurasia, Europe plus Asia, upper side of the world is covered with an Arctic Ocean. If you go for this one globe, this is the Arctic Ocean, this is the Antarctic Ocean, will be mentioning on the globe. Okay, mainly it is flushing up or washing up the Eurasia and North America. So these are the relief features. These are the relief features of mainly continents and oceans are the relief features of Earth. Okay, so relief of ocean they have given. 1 second. So relief of ocean we will continue tomorrow. Relief of ocean will continue tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.